Hello students, today we learn the concept of capacitance of parallel plate. Here we consider two parallel plates having each area A and distance between them is D. When a charge plus Q is given to this plate, then the negative charge induced on this plate and similarly positive charges are induced on the other face of this plate. Means when we ground this plate, the all positive charges are free and move to earth or go to earth side. Then we might want to find the what is the electric field inside and outside this parallel plate. We know that the relation between electric field and the surface charge density and the surface charge density E is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon 0. What is E? Is the electric field. This is the surface charge density and this is the epsilon 0 is the permittivity of the free space. Then we consider here outside of this plate point charge, then the magnitude of electric field is same. How much? E is equal to sigma upon 2 by epsilon 0. Because of this positively charged, what is the direction of the electric field? This is outward. We know that direction of electric field because of positive charge is outward direction. And what is the direction of the electric field due to this negative charge? This is inward. We know that, we learn that. Means magnitude is same but direction is opposite. Then what is the net electric field at this point? E is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon 0 because of positive charge minus actually plus minus of sigma upon 2 epsilon 0. This minus indicates that these two are opposite in direction. Therefore, electric field at this point we get 0. How much? 0. Similarly, we consider point here. What is the electric field? E is equal to sigma upon 2 pi epsilon 0. What is the direction of electric field? Because of positive charge, the direction of electric field is outward, and because of negative charge, the direction of electric field is inside. Then what is the net electric field here? That is E is equal to sigma upon 2 epsilon 0 because of positive charge minus at how much? Sigma upon 2 epsilon 0 because of negative charge. Then what is the net electric field at this point? 0. Means outside this parallel plate, the electric field is 0. Then what is the field inside this plate? What is the electric field inside this parallel plate? See, we know that the direction of electric field magnitude is same. How much? E is equal to sigma upon 2 pi epsilon 0. This is the relation between surface charge density to electric field. Then what is the direction of electric field due to the positively charged conductor? This side. Okay. And what is the electric field of negatively due to negatively charged particle towards negative? Means because of positive charge, direction of electric field is outward, means this side, and because of negatively charged particle, the electric field is inward to this negative. Therefore, electric field on both of these is similar, same direction and same magnitude. Then what is the electric field? Net electric field inside this parallel plate is equal to, directly we mention, sigma upon 2 epsilon 0 because of positive charge plus same direction, therefore 2 upon epsilon 0, that is electric field because of negatively charge. Then what is the net electric field inside the parallel plate? E is equal to sigma 2 sigma upon 2 epsilon 0 means sigma upon epsilon 0 is the electric field or net electric field inside the parallel plate. We know that what is the epsilon sigma? Sigma is the surface charge density, and how we define the surface charge density? Surface charge density defined as a charge per unit area. Charge per unit area. We can put this quantity here. We found E is equal to Q upon A epsilon 0. A epsilon 0. We consider the potential of these two plates, or potential difference of these two plates is V. Potential of difference between these two plates is V. Then what is the relation between V and E? We know that. What is the relation between V and E? V is equal to, otherwise we mention E is equal to V upon D. We learn that the electric field is nothing but potential difference per unit distance. Then what is V? E into D. We already find the value of E. How much? Q upon A epsilon 0. And distance between them is D. Okay. We want capacitance of parallel plate, that is C is equal to Q upon V. What is V? We can put here the value of V, Q upon A epsilon 0 into D. Q get cancelled. This denominator goes numerator. Therefore, A epsilon 0 upon D is the capacitance of this parallel plate.